we gotta have some of the before. So basically,
She wants to leave a trail.
we're gonna totally leave a trail, but we're out feeding the birds. And Uma, come on over here, honey. You gotta sit down up here because we're gonna call the birds and they're gonna come and they're gonna carry you away. And I'm gonna grab your ankle and make sure that you don't go off to live with the birds. So, one of the things you definitely have to do if you live in Mission Beach is feed the birds. Okay, let's see what you have. Do you have your bread?
In her head.
Okay. So right now you can see no birds, and we will watch how fast this changes. That's good, Uma. Okay, we're gonna throw it up in the air one more time, and I bet birds will see it and they'll come running. Here comes a bird. Uma, you've got a customer. Uma, you gotta feed them. Feed the birds.
Here, throw the bread.
They like that bread.
Say, hey guys, there's plenty for everybody.
Oh my gosh.
Hurry! Hurry! They're so hungry! They haven't eaten for days!
Wow.
Look at all these birds coming around! Tell them that more bread's coming.
More bread is coming!
Tell them more
Don't worry,
bread.
guys.
The birds like the bread!
They love that bread.
There's bread.
More bread.
Try to break it up.